Trendyol promo codes. If you love shopping on Trendyol and want to save big on your next purchase, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to talk about Trendyol promo codes and I'll show you the best ways to find discount codes that can help you score huge savings. First things first, always check Trendyol's official website or app. They regularly update their homepage with exclusive discounts and promo codes for their customers. You can find various special pop-up deals like new user discounts, special offers, or flash sale. Be sure to browse the deal section for any promo code section. Another great way to discover promo code is following Trendyol on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, where they share promo codes with their followers. Now let's just watch our story. As you can see here, they are providing us special offers. What you need to do is simply tap on shop now to get the same offers. Likewise, you can use third-party promo code websites like Retail Me Not, Coupon Follow, Coupons.com, and many more. Just simply search for Trendyol in the search bar on these websites and you'll find a list of active promo codes over there. And that's all for today. Now you know where to find the best Trendyol promo codes.